Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be covering affiliate marketing for beginners. Now, we're going to be covering in this video a system that I've used myself that will actually give you some free resources, and it'll actually give you 87 videos and also 590, yes, 590 resources that are free for you to actually use in your business. And some of the resources cover all aspects of online business, so not just affiliate marketing, but we're going to specifically be looking at affiliate marketing today. And also with the system, you can actually have up to 14 different income streams from the one system. So as you can see, this will get you up and running. While you are learning, you will still be earning cash on the way. And also stay tuned right to the very end, because I'm going to show you how you can obviously get this free system, and also that you're going to be able to earn your first $20 in the next 2 hours. Simple as that. Okay, so we've got lots to go through on this video. Let's head over onto the desktop and I'll run through exactly how you're going to be able to do this and where you can go and get all these resources. Okay, so we have come inside into the website and I want to go through various different aspects of the business with you. I'm going to run through all the different earning opportunities you've got. So the 14 different earning opportunities that you can earn for free. You don't have to upgrade at all to be able to earn those 14 different income streams. And I'm also going to show you where you can get access all to the training and the videos and the other resources as well. So let's crack on now, and as you can see, we have got a tab, a menu tab down the side here, as we start off on the dashboard. Now the dashboard obviously is where you would come when you log into this site, and as you can see here, it's got here, are you on the top 100 leaderboard? Find out. So if you click this, this could be your first income stream. Just literally by doing different tasks and inviting people into the group and into the system, you will get points. Once you get points, you will then get onto the leaderboard. And as you can see, for becoming number 1 on the leaderboard, this system gives away $1,000 for every month for the person on top of the leaderboard. And of course, this goes down various levels, and you can earn 500, 300, 200, etc. So that is your first chance. It's open to everybody, and you can obviously get into that leaderboard. And as you can see, I'm just off the top 10 at the moment. I'm number 13 this month on the leaderboard, so I need to push a little bit harder and obviously try and get into those money positions so I can actually earn some cash. So that's the first way you can actually earn cash with this system. So let's sort of show you some of the training and also where you can actually go and get your second and third income streams. So if you go into the training units here and we log down, and as you can see, we've got various different training units here. So if we open training unit 2, for argument's sake, different videos here where you can go through. And once you get down to here, as you can see here, it says get TD Pages account. To be an affiliate marketer, one of the products you will need is possibly something that is going to produce you some opt-in pages and obviously gather some email addresses. So those are 2 products that you're going to possibly need to build your business. Now you can get these actually within the system. So you don't need to get them, but if you do get them, obviously it will make your business grow a lot faster and a lot quicker. But this is where you can also earn money from these accounts. If you refer someone else to this system, then obviously if they will then get the TD Pages, for argument's sake, you will then get a commission. And this is a recurring commission every month, all the time they are live on the TD Pages. It does go more into that in these videos, but obviously I haven't got time to actually go through that in this video, so I would urge you stay tuned right to the very end, and I'll show you how you can actually go and get these videos and go and have a look for yourself. Okay, and when they go and are prompted to go and create a TD Pages account, which you can actually create an account for free, they will also be asked to go and create an account for an email autoresponder, and they recommend GetResponse. If you're already using something else, I use Aweber for argument's sake. If you're already using something else, you can obviously link that into the TD Pages as well. But again, if you refer other people and they need a autoresponder, then obviously you could earn through that affiliate link. And you will not have to promote that at all because it's done in the system, guys. And again, I'll explain more on that right at the end. So let's keep going. As you can see, this is some of the training. And like I said, there are up to 87 videos here, which you can go through at your leisure and just tick them off. Okay, so let's go through some more ways that you can actually earn cash. So if we go across to the TD pages here, tab, and we open that up on products. And as you can see, we've got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products there, and also an upgrade area as well, the VIP. But I'm not actually going to include that because you don't earn from that unless you are a VIP. So I'm only looking at 3 ways you can earn on this system, but there are more ways as well you can earn if you were to buy other products as well. But all of these products, guys, are in here, and if anybody comes in that you recommend and obviously clicks on these products, then you will get a commission. It's as simple as that. You don't have to refer them. They will automatically be linked to you in the system, and if they buy these products, you will get a commission. So there's another 5, 6, 7 products there which you can actually earn from, and that's without actually upgrading, so it's totally free. Go back again to the TD pages here. Another way that you can actually earn. Oh, before we do that, let's just have a look at the TD links. Now, these links are links to individual links to the products I've just shown you. Okay, so if you wanted to, you could just promote these products individually and don't even promote the system, promote the products. Okay, and then that's another way of getting people into the actual system, which is a free system after all. So again, loads of different ways that you can obviously promote these products. And in the training, they show you how you can actually promote the products. So you're learning how to promote them and you're earning from them as well. Back to the TD products again. And as you can see here, we've got buy traffic. Now, some people might want to get to buy traffic because it basically means that they have to do less work. All they have to do is actually buy traffic, send it to an opt-in page or something like that, and they are going to get leads and opt-ins and sales. The guy who owns this system is one of the top solo ads providers in the world, and you can place orders here for solo ads. But not only that, you can promote this by this link here, and if other people then buy solo ads, again, you will earn a commission. But also, if they come into the system for free and click buy order now, order solo ads now, they will be linked to you as well. So again, you don't have to promote this, guys. It is so simple, this system. It really is. I've seen nothing like it before. So more ways to earn on this system. If we go down here, if we look at the training replays. So the training replays, every week we have different trainings, different products, etc. And you can go and watch these trainings here. So you've got all the back trainings here that you can actually go and watch, and they're all about different things: affiliate domination, crypto cowboy, various different products and trainings that have been given over the weeks. You can have access to these for free, and also if we go down to like commission generator here, this is a live training we've got coming up today, and this is the secret method to solo ads. And again, you can actually promote this as a single item, guys. So there's the link. It'll all be linked to you. You can just promote that out. And what you can also do, if you wanted to, you've got the individual links here to all the lives. Okay, so again, if someone comes on to the live one, they'll be linked to you. So if they buy anything else in the system, you will get a commission. And also if they buy off of the live, they're interested in that particular product or something, they will be linked to you and you will get a commission. So as you can see, there are absolutely amazing amount of ways you can earn here, guys. They really can. So let's check out the TD products again. And another way you can earn is comment dominator. So if someone actually, this is a system they use to get more comments than that on Facebook. And if someone goes and does the pro, then obviously you will earn a commission. Okay, so it's simple as that. And obviously you can use this as a free member as well, or you can upgrade to pro and obviously get a better amount of comments, which obviously is going to be better for your Facebook posts, etc. So another way that you can actually earn, they also do exactly the same for YouTube as well, which has just been launched. And as you can see here, there it is, YouTube domination. Again, the same sort of thing. They have an upgrade where you can actually earn commissions. So before we head off then, let's just show you how you can actually go and get this system for free, and also how you can earn your first $20 for free in the next 2 hours. Okay, so I've got a link below this video here, and it actually takes you to a squeeze page, which where if you actually just put in your primary email address in here, click to get instant access. This will then take you through to the Facebook group here. And this takes you to the free Facebook group where you get all the information that's going on the weekly webinars and the lives and all that sort of thing, weekly Q&As as well. And from there, you can watch the first video, which will show you how to go and get your account on the website, which is called OLSP System. And once you've done that, you'll be brought to this page here, which will be your dashboard. And the only thing that you'll be able to access is the boot camp here on the top left-hand corner. So if you click on the boot camp and actually go through the videos, as you can see, I've already done this. What you do is you go through all the different videos. They're about 2 hours, I suppose, in length completely. This, as you go through the videos, will open up all these different tabs, and it'll also tell you about the tabs as well. And then you can obviously follow exactly what it says in the training and get up and running. But by completing this and just watching those videos, you will receive $20. It's as simple as that, guys. And they will come into your commissions tab here. And as you can see, I've earned nearly $800 in this system so far. And I haven't really even been promoting it, guys. I've done very little work on it. And that just shows you how easy it is. Okay, so the final thing I want to show you is to go back into TD products and scroll down, and we go to checklists and lead magnets. Now, this is where you have got so many resources for free, guys. And as you can see, these are all PDFs that you can download, which are like checklists on how to create certain things. So if you're looking to create your own product for email marketing, social media, affiliate marketing, video marketing, even using Canva, which is a creation tool for images and things like that. Let's just click on this. As you can see, there are loads and loads of different checklists that you can download for free, guys. There is actually 590 different checklists here. Now, I'm not saying you're going to use all of them, but this is going to cover every aspect of being an online business. Okay, it's even got SEO, YouTube advertising, even make money online, how to make money on different platforms, ClickBank marketing, LinkedIn marketing, absolutely loads. It really is absolutely phenomenal, guys. I've never known a system like this. And like I say, all you've got to do is go and refer people to the system, which is completely free. You'll then go through the boot camp and get your $20, and then you've got an opportunity to earn from at least 14 different income streams. And you're obviously going to have different lives and different events going on every single week that you can earn from as well. And you don't have to promote those. Once they're in the system, the system itself will promote for you. But obviously, if you wanted to go out and really work it and promote it yourself, then obviously you can earn even more money. There are people here, guys, that are earning $2,000 or $3,000 every single month here. So check out the link in the description below. Head over. You'll also get some bonus videos from me when you actually sign up through my link. So look out for those in your email box. And also, obviously, I'll be in contact. You'll be able to get my details on the dashboard, and you'll be able to connect with me on Facebook. And then I can answer any queries you have as well. Like you see, guys, there's nothing like this on the market. Get in now, get started, get learning all about affiliate marketing and earning money online. And this time next week, you could start having commissions rolling in. Okay, I trust you found that interesting and useful. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next, and also if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, we will see you on the next video. Hopefully I'll see you inside OLSP.